information. If you would like more details on this offer, please speak to one of our representatives.
Okay, I want to talk to one of the representatives.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, thanks so much for calling. This is Sandy from United Security. How are you?
This is Sandy from United Spaghetti?
Security, sir.
Okay. United Security. Yes, sir. Yeah, I got a call earlier about a free home alarm system to be installed at my house. When can you have somebody out here?
Well, sir, are you the homeowner?
Yeah. Well, it's me and my wife, and her
Well, sir, do you have the system we are providing you is 3-in-1 home security system that's cover you against fire, break-ins, and night emergencies, and there will be absolutely no cost for the activation, installation, and even for the equipment.
Yeah,
Do you have an security system at your place, or that would be the first time learning about this?
I'm sorry. What? I heard the 3-in-1 thing. You have 3-in-1 oil for okay, and what?
Do you have any kind of a security system at your place, or that would be the first time learning about this, sir?
Yeah, right now all we have are some pretty big dogs. We don't have the fancy electronic thing or anything like that. We just have dogs.
All right, sir, just again, let's get you protected. That will be one of my security experts on the call. I'm sure he will get you the best. Just hold on for a second.
So the security expert's going to confirm? Okay.
Your call is very important. Hold on for a second. Stay on the line. You'll be transferred to the next available agent.
The next available agent. So they have helium at their office. But it's good music. Don't make fun of my phone, okay? Because can you do this with your phone? Look, can you do this? If you can, it breaks. I don't want to hear any crap about, oh, look how old his phone is. Hello. We're still.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
I've got nothing but time. Nothing but
Don't say
time.
Pakistani though. Don't say Pakistani though. So,
My wife says I shouldn't mention a certain country, something Stan, so I won't.
no, hang up on you.
It's awful loud, isn't it? I'll put it down here.
Crappy music.
It's pretty cool music, really. For calling 4 times a week, I didn't think I'd have to sit on hold and listen to this crap. Oh,
Hi, this is Antonio with the Security Call Center. How are you doing today?
hey Antonio, I'm doing pretty good. How you doing?
I'm doing fantastic, better than I deserve, and thank you so much for asking.
I'm better than I deserve too, because I've done a lot of stuff that I don't deserve to be as good as what I'm doing right now. So I feel you, brother. I feel you. I'm with you, dog.
You got it.
You got it. There you go. There you go. Hit me, brother. All right. So,
I have nothing to hit you with.
well, you know what?
I believe I'm talking to the homeowner, correct?
That's right. I'm the homeowner. It's me, my wife. Well, I'm not the sole homeowner. It's me, my wife, her uncle, and a second cousin, and her ex-husband. All 4 of us are really the homeowners. But
So you're sharing, like everyone has the name on the deed of the house?
well, no. Our name's on the deed, yes. But well, anyways, it gets. Well, no, it's just me, but they're the ones that they live here too. It's kind of technical, you know.
Okay, I got it. And do you currently have any active security system at your place?
I told the other guy all we have are dogs, just dogs.
Oh, right. Now, sir, I believe that you make the financial decision for the house. You're the financial decision maker for the home.
I do most of the time. I get in trouble sometimes. My wife doesn't approve of some of the stuff, you know. But no, I'm in
How
charge.
would the homeowner feel about getting a security system? If I give you
that's what we're wondering.
That,
When can you get a guy here to go ahead and install this thing? Because I understand I've got a free home security system. So what day can you be here, do you think?
but you have to keep up the monitoring. It's not like the equipment installation and the activation is free just as a part of this promotion. If you are getting a same system from the market, you have to pay around $2,000. But that's a part of this promotion.
Well, that's
equipment installation and the activation is free.
that's what I'm talking about. The
That's
system.
package for you.
and
How
if-
many doors do you have that lead outside of your home?
That's what I'm wondering. I mean, if the system's $2,000 and I'm getting it for free, we got to move fast on this deal because I'm sure this is one of those things that doesn't last for a long time. I mean, how you can't stay in business, $2,000 system for free. So let's get going and
How many doors do you have that lead outside of your home?
that lead outside.
That is for you real quick and send my technician so that he can install it real quick.
Okay, it's eight doors that go outside.
Alrighty. And do you have anyone over the age of 55 or someone with a medical condition?
Do I have what?
Somebody with medical conditions.
Anyone over the age of 55 or someone with a medical condition?
Well, I'm over 55, but the pills I'm taking, my medical condition is pretty well and taken care of. Long as I don't miss, man, if I don't miss a medication.
Like $56.99, including all the taxes and no hidden charges. It's a lot, the price would never ever go up upon you.
Wait. I thought this system was free. It was like a $2,000.
The equipment, the installation, and the activation is free, but you have to keep up the monthly monitoring fee, and that will be $56.99, including all the taxes and no hidden charges.
That's pretty expensive.
How much a month?
$56. $56 a month is pretty. Well, look
Sir,
here.
send my technician so that he can install it for you. What's the physical address that we are looking to protect?
Here's a question for you now. I've got 8 doors that lead outside. Okay, 4 of them are upstairs.
All right.
Okay, and
Yes.
so would that be cheaper if 4 of them are upstairs and 4 of them are downstairs?
Well, the monthly monitoring fee remains the same. I mean, no matter where the doors are located. As soon as the doors lead outside of the home, we are going to cover your doors and windows. So in case anyone breaks into any of your doors,
I gotta
then we will be protecting inside of your home. Now, sir, to send my technician so that he can install the system for you, can you please send me your address?
Well, wait a
How
minute.
about the gates?
$56.
I want the
What
gates.
if
And 99 cents.
56 and 99 cents?
How about the gates? I want
Yeah,
the gates
right.
done too.
Well, my wife brings up a pretty good point that I failed to disclose to you, and this may affect the price down the road. We do have a fenced-in yard, and there are gates. So we've
Price
got.
will be a lot of price. It will be, I guess, it will remain the same for about 16 months as a part of our standard agreement would never ever go up upon you. Plus, it also includes a free warranty and technical support on the equipment. So in case anything goes bad or wrong, we are going to come and fix it for you.
Okay, but what if with
5
my
acres.
fence and my gate?
5 acres. 5 acres.
If I got a fence and a gate,
You know,
right? So some of those doors you wouldn't be able to get to. So how much would that be?
so I'm not getting what you were saying.
Well, I've got a big fence that goes around a fence. You know what a fence is,
That
right?
covers your house.
Yeah, we're trying.
Yeah, that goes.
Yeah, I know what the fence is.
Yeah.
The fence covers your house. You want us to protect your fence as well?
No, the fence is already taking care of the doors out back. That's what I'm saying. So I probably wouldn't need. You asked me how many doors did I have going to the outside. I never thought about the fence. So how much is it now? It's got to be cheaper,
Now, you have put your license.
huh?
So, in total, now you have 8 doors.
Well, yeah, but let's forget about the 4 that are upstairs. Okay.
All right, 4 doors. In that case, your monthly monitoring fee will be $52.99.
Whoa.
Including all the taxes and no hidden charges.
Okay, so we went from $56 and what was it, 94 cents?
Yeah.
How much?
So $54.99.
99 cents. Now you've dropped it down to $32 and how much?
No, it will remain. Before the promotion, we were charging like $65, $70 in between that.
Yeah, by the
And
time,
now, just as a part of this promotion, we have lower rate.
but
$54.99 is a rugged price. It would never ever go up.
okay, but what if I'm not including the upstairs?
Yes, sir. That if you are not including that upstairs, in that case, your monthly monitoring fee will be $54.99.
Well, that was the same thing for 8 doors if it was upstairs and downstairs.
Red Rock, it was $56.99, sir.
Oh, so it's come down $2.
I'm saying.
Yeah, it still remains the same. It doesn't,
Okay, what if-
no matter how many stores.
What if I only have 1 door? How much for just 1 door? And I'll keep the dogs.
It will still remain $54.99. I just have to
Well, why did you ask?
Discount on that. Discount.
How-
It will still remain $54.99.
Okay, whether I have 1 door or 8 doors, it's still the same price.
Yeah, the monthly monitoring fee it remains the same.
Okay,
$54.99, a larger price.
Well-
What you want to do?
Well, how come you asked me how many doors do I have?
He hung up on you.
Did you?
Just to make sure how many doors you will be protecting.
Well, I thought it would be cheaper if I had less doors.
No, the price still remains the same.
It remains. What about my windows? Hello? Hello?
You have been kicked from this conference.
I have been kicked from this conference. I have never been kicked from a conference before. I've got a phone that does this. So, okay, it's 12 minutes and 26 seconds. I'm sorry. I apologize. They just call me every day. I'll talk to them tomorrow. See ya.